Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experienced. And apart from that, also would like to update you about a webinar which we are going to do on Wednesday. So on 13th of May, we are going to have a free webinar for QA engineers who want to upgrade their career and who want to stay updated with respect to the software testing tools and technology, especially with the Playwright plus AI. So feel free to register for this webinar. It is totally free of cost. You won't be charged anything, but you'd come to know about a lot of important tools and the tech stack that the QA engineers should be updating by themselves, should be learning in 2026 to get more and more job opportunities and more calls. Because many of the people are telling us that they are not getting calls, but you need to update yourself. You need to make sure that you are strategizing your job search in the right direction, right? So go ahead with the proper opportunity and with the proper skill set will help you to get a good job opportunity. So now let me tell you about the job opportunities. So first of all, there is a fresher job opportunity at Indore. So they are looking for somebody who has got experience of 0 to 3 years. And the location is Indore, and the key skill set they are looking is for automation, test case writing, manual testing, API testing, attention to detail, bug tracking tools. So you can send your CV to this particular email address, hr@smtlabs.io. So there's the email address wherein you have to register. Then there are multiple other opportunities. So let me share those details with you. So first, it is the job opportunity for the location of Mohali, Punjab, and they are looking for automated QA testers with 2 to 4 years of experience. And the company name is iApp Technologies LLP. And you can send your resume to this particular email address, and these are the contact number you can reach out to. Then there is a requirement for senior QA, 2 to 5 years of experience again. And they are looking for somebody who can test across SaaS-based platform from writing test plans to mentoring engineers and shipping automation that actually scales. So they are looking for 2 to 5 years in QA with experience with REST API testing and Unix-based systems and scripting, solid grasp of agile processes and release cycles. That's again one of the important opportunity. And the tool stack that they are looking is for Postman, Jira, REST APIs, Python, BDD, TGD, Agile. Location is Pune, and this is the email address where you can apply. Then there's a requirement at ByteSpark Digital Private Limited. They are looking for junior QA engineer, 1 to 3 years of experience, junior DevOps engineer, and junior business development executive. So you can share your CV at this email address, and the location is Ahmedabad. Then there's a requirement for QA automation lead, Java plus Selenium plus REST assured. Location is Mumbai as well as Bangalore. Work mode would be hybrid opportunity. Experience is 7 plus years. Key skills required would be Java, Selenium automation, BDD Cucumber, REST assured API testing. So if you're interested, you can share your updated resume at this email address. Then there's a requirement at Tech Systems. They are hiring for QA automation engineers. So they are looking for somebody who has got the experience of 5 to 10 years, and the location is Hyderabad and Pune. Again, it's a hybrid role. Required skill set is Selenium, Playwright, Java, API testing, REST assured, SQL, UI automation, GitHub, CI/CD, testing, TestNG, Jenkins, BDD Cucumber, framework level automation experience, knowledge of AI testing. So interested candidates, you can share their resume at this email address. Then there's a requirement for QA engineer, and the location is Mysore, Kochi, Trivandrum. So they are looking for talented engineers with experience of 3 to 5 years in the field of software testing. So you can send your resume with your CV at this particular email address itself. Then there is a requirement at liquidity services. Location would be Chennai, work mode would be on-site. So if you are interested for this role, for the QA automation role, you can apply through this particular job link. I'll be putting this link as well as the link for the webinar in the first comment, as well as in the description of the video. So you can apply over here. And this is the email address also given. So you can apply from the email address. Then there's a requirement for QA. Yeah, we discussed this in 0 to 3 years, and they are looking for somebody who has got hands-on experience with real world projects. See, real world projects is very important, even if you haven't got an opportunity in the company. But if you automate and if you understand the use cases, the test automation things, and you try it for 2 to 3 years, it would be very much important for you. That would really help you to get more and more calls. And it's not just about that you work in a company and you get the real-time project done. You can also enroll with us on the top meet. We'll give you the real-time projects which you can add in your CV. So the top meet webinar that I told you, in that I'll be sharing with you the details of the real-time project that you can automate and you can add it in your CV as well. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.